Hi everyone! In this video from TravClan, we are going to take you through the KYC registration process and why it is necessary to do your KYC process. You might think why it's important, but since TravClan is a B2B platform, it is important for us to verify the authenticity of the travel agents, which is done through the KYC process. Only after the verification can we provide the confidential B2B rates and deals. So let's move on to the process now. Open your web browser and search for TravClan's website, which is www.travclan.com. To start the login process, enter your mobile number, email address, name, and name of the company and request for an OTP. You will receive an OTP on your device. Kindly enter and verify the same. Moving forward, you will be given 4 options: freelancer, sole proprietor, partnership, and company. Depending on your business model, you can choose the one that fits you the best. Starting with the first option, any freelancer is required to upload the following documents. Firstly, an identity proof, which has 4 options mentioned below. You can either upload your Aadhaar, passport, driver's license, or voter's ID for the same. Upload the scanned files of the documents in a PDF, JPEG, or PNG format under 2 MB. Next step is taxation proof, for which you'll have to upload your GST certificate. In the absence of the same, you can click on the checkbox given below stating that you do not have a certificate yet. You will be asked to fill in the following details like your company address and upload owner PAN card to confirm the same. Accept our terms and conditions to complete the process. Moving on to the next option of sole proprietor, it requires you to follow the same process for uploading the identity proof. Additionally, you'll have to enter company proof, which can be done via uploading MSME certificate, Udyam registration, or shop establishment certificate. Upload scanned files of the document in a PDF, JPEG, or PNG format under 2 MB. Next step is taxation proof, for which you'll have to upload your GST certificate. In the absence of the same, you can click on the checkbox given below stating that you do not have a certificate yet. You will be asked to fill in the following details like your company address and upload an owner PAN card to confirm the same. Accept the terms and condition to complete the process. Once you're done with the KYC verification process, our onboarding team will skim you through the submitted documents and will give you access to the portal as soon as possible. Once you log on in again, you'll be directed to a window like this where you can avail all the features as promised. We really hope this helps.